Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Yousaf and today we are going to create the authentication. So first of all we have to create some changes, make some changes in our previous work. So first of all in web.php that you will find in the routes folder, you have to change index to dashboard because this route will be for dashboard. Okay, now the second change is that you have to go in dashboard.blade.php in the admin folder and change this to admin. Okay, now admin, and now we will define this layout. We will change app.blade.php to uh, admin. So because on the dashboard we are extending from admin.blade.php, so I have changed that. And now we are going to run some commands to apply the authentication. You just have to follow these commands and nothing more. No need to go in complications, you just have to follow these commands. So first of all I have to check the uh, route for dashboard either working or not. So dashboard, you can see here dashboard is working. So now I will run the commands here. The first command is that composer require Laravel and UI. It will install the UI library for our project. The second command is that PHP. So first we okay now, and the second command is PHP artisan UI, and after UI bootstrap and auth. This flag will create routes and everything that is needed for authentication, registration, and login. So I have to run this command simply. Okay, now after that we have to run two commands. First is npm install, and we will add other command npm run dev. So after writing these commands, you have to press the enter button. It will install the npm packages and run the dev mod. Okay, our library has been installed, but we have to run the command again. That command is npm run dev. This command we will running again, and it will mix our package. I am telling you again that you uh, don't need to go in complication about these commands. You just have to put these commands only only one time. After that you have no link with these commands. So to not go in deep, just run these commands and see the results. And after these results I will explain everything step by step. So when I will go to my browser and put the login, you will see the login page. The commands, that all commands for this UI and authentication. So when I will click on register, it will redirect me to register and login. So the next step is that we have to go in the app folder and HTTP, and after that controller and home controller. So after authentication, it will redirect us to home page, but we will redirect to a named route. So on the web.php, I will name this route as dashboard dashboard. So I will copy this name and go to home controller, and I will put here redirect, and the route will be dashboard. After authentication, it will redirect us to dashboard route. So I will simply go here and register a user. The name will be Muhammad Yousaf, and email will be yusuf.itpro@gmail.com. You can see here I am putting the email. So after that I will put here the password. Password will be 12345678. 12345678, and register. So unknown database, because uh, we have to set the database name. Our database name will be POS. Okay, now I will refresh the page. Okay, you can see here we are redirecting to the dashboard after successful login. Okay, guys, we will do all next steps into the next video. So for next video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon button to see the coming videos. Okay, bye.